Hi, I'm Megan Dolan, and this is Engineering by Design, the Foundations of Technology course. This program is designed typically for 9th grade students. The Foundations of Technology prepares students to understand pre-engineering concepts that focus on critical thinking and problem solving. Group and individual activities engage the students in creating ideas, developing innovations, and engineering practical solutions. The Foundations of Technology curriculum is about 36 weeks long. You can modify or adjust to any shorter or longer length based on your classroom and student needs. The big idea for Foundations of Technology is that there are established design principles that are used to evaluate existing design, to collect data, and to guide students through the design process. The engineering design is influenced by personal characteristics, such as creativity, resourcefulness, and the ability to visualize and think abstractly. This is different for every student, and it's important that they understand this. A prototype is a working model that is used to test a design concept and by making actual observations and necessary adjustments. And that the engineer must not only design a product that works, but there are many other things that they keep in mind, such as factors for safety, environmental concerns, ethical considerations, and the risks and benefits. EbD by Design focuses on the 6 E's: engage, explore, explain, engineer, enrich, and evaluate. One of the best parts of the EbD by Design curriculum is the access to Buzz. It is the online learning management system. You can adjust any of your classes for distance learning or hybrid needs. It does require training. The access is fee-based. The fee is based on the number of courses and teachers that you will have within your building and district. If you are an MTEA member or an ITEA member, it is $100 per course. This is the Foundations of Technology course, and this is the layout that you would see in your Buzz system. Every unit is then broken into different cycles. So when I open up my cycle for Unit 1, it will open up to my lesson overview, and it talks about the idea and the purpose and the 6 E's that are found within this program. Then it also breaks down all of my standards. So here are my STL standards, but then it also shows me my science standards, and sometimes it'll be my ELA standards as well, based on the activities that are happening within the project. So then it also will give me my learning objectives. This part is my favorite. It shows me lab and classroom prep, the prep time that it will take for me. The tools, though, will show me what I need, and this is where it can be adjusted and modified based on your classroom, whether it be that you have a wood shop or you have a metal shop or you just have a regular classroom or even a science lab. You can adjust any of these needs that best fits you. Then we talk about safety and then vocabulary for each unit. So here it breaks down even further the 6 E's. It also will give me all of my assessments to use for the curriculum. And even better, I can download my quiz and my keys, so that way I don't have to rely on the internet when I am teaching the course. All of my resources can be found at the end of the unit, and then my supporting files as well. So I can get a sample view of all of the units and all of the projects, or I can go all the way to the bottom, a download file for every single item that's used within the unit. Students develop an understanding of the influence of technology on history by exploring how people of all times and places have increased their capability by using their unique skills to innovate, improvise, and invent. They gain an understanding of technological innovation and the fact that it often results and crosses with other fields of study. Opportunities are provided that enable students to select and use energy and power technologies, enable students to gain insights into the use of telemedicine and other medical technologies, information and communication technologies, and the course concludes with the synthesizing of major ideas through an understanding of the impacts the use of technology has on society and the environment.